Kohesi Bond is a pioneer in manufacturing first-rate adhesives, sealants, coatings, potting, and encapsulation compounds. Our adhesives are capable of meeting the highest quality standards and strict industrial certifications. Kohesi Bond custom formulates products to meet precise processing and performance requirements. Our technical team provides one-on-one support and works with you on every step of your application. Kohesi Bond's products are proudly manufactured in India. Contact us today to discuss your application.
Kohesi Bond specialty products are used in the aerospace industry for structural bonding, sealing, coating, potting, and impregnation applications. They are capable of passing strict industrial certification tests, such as NASA standards for low outgassing and UL and FAR standards for flame retardancy. Additionally, they offer superior mechanical strength properties, resist shocks and vibrations, withstand extremely high temperatures, and are serviceable at cryogenic temperatures. They can also hold up well to thermal cycling. Kohesi Bond has closely worked with aerospace companies to develop first-rate products that offer superior performance. Contact us today to find your aerospace adhesive. Have you noticed when your phone rings next to a speaker, it makes an irritable sound? Well, that is caused by the interference of electromagnetic and radio frequency waves with your electronic devices. These waves are typically generated from various internal and external sources, such as mobile phones, TV stations, radios, and electric power stations. It is extremely critical to protect your electronic devices from such interference. Kohesi Bond has carefully worked with engineers to develop highly effective and economical coating systems that help protect electronic circuits and modules from electromagnetic and radio frequency interference. Introducing our sodium silicate-based coating systems that offer superior shielding effectiveness. Our silver-filled system offers the highest levels of shielding, followed by our silver-coated nickel and graphite-filled systems. Additionally, we also offer a variety of epoxy-based systems that offer outstanding shielding properties. Contact our technical experts to find the best solution for your shielding application. Have you ever wondered how to thoroughly mix a two-component epoxy system? Let us first understand what the two components of an epoxy adhesive are. Part A is the resin and Part B is the curing agent. Epoxies are available in a wide variety of mixing ratios, and they can be mixed either by weight or volume. To understand how to consistently mix the two components, let us take an adhesive with a 1-to-1 mixing ratio by weight. Now, measure 100 grams from the container with Part A and 100 grams from the container with Part B, and pour them into a clean mixing vessel. The color of Part A is red and Part B is yellow. As the two parts mix, the color changes to orange. Slowly mix the two parts to avoid any entrapment of air bubbles. When you have a homogeneous color without streaks, the epoxy is ready to be applied. For epoxies having a shorter working life, it is recommended to mix a finite quantity in a shallow vessel. Inadequate mixing or a remarkable error in the mix ratio could severely affect the performance of the adhesive in your application, which could lead to failure. To avoid any errors, you may want to consider using our gun applicator. It eliminates the need for manual mixing, provides consistent results, and higher productivity. Now that you are adept at mixing epoxies, you can now ensure the best adhesion in your application. Contact our technical experts if you have any questions regarding your application. Kohesi Bond specialty products are used for bonding, sealing, coating, and potting in optical applications across aerospace, medical, electronics, telecommunication, and OEM industries. They offer phenomenal optical clarity, excellent strength, low shrinkage, low outgassing, high glass transition temperature, and non-yellowing properties. Additionally, they can resist extreme thermal cycling, abrasion, solvents, moisture, and various other chemicals. Kohesi Bond has closely worked with engineers from the optical industry to develop reliable products that offer superior performance. Contact us today to find your optical adhesive. Kohesi Bond's superior products are used for circuit board assembly, die attach, potting, encapsulation, and conformal coating applications in the electronics industry. They offer superior strength, thermal conductivity, electrical conductivity, electrical insulation, resist extreme temperatures, and provide stress-free adhesion. Our products are available in a wide variety of packaging options, suitable for manual, semi-automatic, and automatic dispensing. Kohesi Bond has closely worked with engineers from the electronics industry to develop reliable products that offer superior performance. Contact us today to find your electronic adhesive.